Hi, welcome to my September 2010 Lake Keowee video blog. Thank you for taking the time to join me today and let you get some up-to-date and accurate information on where we are and what's happening in the marketplace here on Lake Keowee. Let's go ahead and look at the numbers as we start off here the 1st of September. And we're going to look at our waterfront lot activity. We got about 485 waterfront lots for sale here on the lake. Sold year to date, we've had 49 lakefront water sales here on the waterfront lots so far this year, 49. And let's go back and take a snapshot of basically the last 3 years, and let's see what we've done over the last 3 years so we can kind of use 2010 as a benchmark on where we're heading and moving into the third and fourth quarter of the year and into 2011. Last year at this time in 2009, we had sold 27 waterfront lots. So 49 year to date 2010, same time last year 27, in 2008 37, and in 2007 84. So you know, there's some big change there from 2007, 84 lots, 37 in 08, 27 in 09, and of course 49 year to date. Now let's talk about some average sale prices for that same snapshot time frame that we're looking at. 49 waterfront sales so far this year. Our average sale price is $249,000. In 07, where we had sold 84 lots to this time this year, our average sale price was $461,000. So we've gone from $461 down to $249 since the same time back in 2007. So that's about a 40% decrease in values on waterfront lots. And the median sale price this year so far is about $239,000, and back in 07 it was about $388,000. So about a 38% decline in the median sales price. So average is about 46%, median's about 38%. So we've seen drastic changes in our sales price from 2007 until 2010. Okay, one great thing is, you know, we're ahead of the numbers where we were last year. Like I said, 49 so far this year, only 27 last year. So you know, I talked about it last month and the month before. The reason that's happening is because we're finally getting our pricing corrected. As you can tell, average sale price $249. People are coming to the marketplace and willing to spend that kind of money back in the market versus 07 when it was $461,000. Okay, so they've seen that 46% decrease, and they're saying, hey, we're willing to step in and take down a piece of property now. So great buying opportunities out there in the waterfront lots. Let's go ahead and look at our homes. Waterfront homes, active 255 as of today, September the 1st. Sold year to date, we've had 68. Let's go ahead and run an analysis back to 07. As mentioned, 68 so far year to date this year. 09, same time frame in 09, we had 56. 08, we had 48. And in 07, we had 63. So we're actually selling more. We've closed more year to date than we did back in 2007. So that's great. But obviously, you're probably saying, well, because pricing has come down. You're absolutely correct. Our average sale price on our properties that have sold so far this year is $715,000. Back in 07, it was $829,000. So we've seen over $100,000 decrease in pricing. I think it's about 15% that we've seen come down since 2007. And if we look at our median sale price in 2009, our median sale price has dropped all the way to $571. You know, median sale price, if you have 10 properties that have sold, in this case we've had 68, so half of 68 is what, 34? Number 34 would be $571,000. So that's our median sale price. Back in 07, our median sales price was $745,000. So that's about a 23% decline. So you see across the board from houses to lots, we've had significant, especially on the lots, significant decline in pricing. But then again, we've generated more sales because we've got corrected pricing in the marketplace. So that's good. If you're a buyer, listen to my video blog. Great opportunities out there, things that you need to come to the table and look at and continue to educate yourself, so when your time is ready for you, you'll be ready to call and say, hey Michael, I'm ready to do something, okay? Let's look at our interior lots. Active, we have 410 interior lots for sale. Sold year to date, only 17. In 2009, we had sold 19. In 2008, we had sold 45. So even though our pricing continues to correct, we haven't seen that increase really in our interior lots. We've just got a ton on the market. I've been talking about this for over a year now. Got a lot of interior lots for sale, and it's going to take a long time to work that inventory off. Back in 2007, we sold 120 127 lots, same time frame back in 2007. So we've gone from 127 in 07 to 17 year to date. Our median sales price is kind of creeped up a little bit in those interior lots, and the reason that's happened really is we've had a couple of big sales over the Cliffs and the Reserve this past year that kind of drove those numbers up. So those numbers are kind of skewed, but the bottom line is on the interior lots, our numbers are 17. We're selling less this year than we did last year, and last year was the toughest year that we had so far as across the board in sales was 2009. Okay, let's look at our interior homes. Year to date, we've sold 46 interior homes year to date. In 09, we sold 45. In 08, 43. And in 07, 61. So our average sale price has gone from about $322,000 this year. Back in 07, it was about $406,000. So we've had almost a $100,000 drop. Actually, it almost kind of mirrors the same $100,000, a little over $100,000 drop that we had in our waterfront homes. So those almost mirror each other. And our median sale price interior homes is $275, and back in 07 it was $360. So what that does is that gives you a great snapshot of what we've done 2007. I mean, I could have gone back further. If you need additional information on those further years, call me, because I have all that, but I only have so much time on the video. So we're looking at 2007, 2010. So what's this mean to you? Obviously, from a buyer's perspective, what this means to you is that if you're a qualified buyer in today's market and you have the ability to come to the table, there's some great opportunities out there. If you're on the website, take for an example, Lot 11, Riverstone on my website. I mean, there's a Crescent community that opened back in 2004. Great lot, gentle slope, deep water, $239,000. That is a fantastic opportunity to own on Lake Keowee. The landing at Barefoot Cove, we have 2 lots over there left. Those are in the 249 range. We got already closed one, we got another one under contract. So great opportunities for you out there, whether you're looking at homes or lots. Great times to be making offers on properties. So as always, I want to thank you for taking time to join me for my September 2010 video blog. Hope this information is informative as a buyer, and of course you as a seller. If you're watching the information, you can kind of see what direction our market's going in and where you need to, as a seller, the main thing you have to do is educate yourself on price to make sure we have our property pricely corrected in 2010, moving into the 2011 marketplace. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you next month in October. We'll be coming back to you with some additional information to see how we've done in the last 30 days and keep you updated. Okay, as always, feel free to email me or call me with any questions that you might have, and thanks again for joining me. Look forward to seeing you next month.